Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many gamers are eager to unlock advanced controller options on their Nintendo Switch using a Cronus Zen. For 2025, there's a highly specific, updated pathway you must follow to ensure full compatibility and reliable performance. Older tutorials might lead you astray, as significant firmware changes and hardware revisions have rendered previous methods obsolete. We'll detail the precise steps to get your Zen working seamlessly, ensuring your setup is future-proofed for the year ahead and beyond. Before you even begin the connection process, gather your essential components. This step is absolutely critical for success. First, ensure your Cronus Zen device is updated to firmware version 2.1.0 or higher. This specific version contains all the necessary protocols for proper Switch compatibility in 2025. Second, you absolutely need a reliable USB-C on-the-go adapter to connect your Zen to the Switch's USB-C port. Without these two key items, the connection simply will not work reliably. Now, let's dive into the initial setup within Zen Studio, which is your powerful software hub. First, open Zen Studio on your computer and navigate directly to the Device tab. It's crucial to correctly set the output protocol to Nintendo Switch/Lite for proper communication. After saving these essential settings, connect your Cronus Zen to your personal computer using the rear mini USB port, ensuring it powers on. This prepares your Zen perfectly for interaction with your console. With your Cronus Zen now properly configured, it's time to bridge the critical connection to your Nintendo Switch. Carefully plug the USB-C end of your on-the-go adapter into the Switch's bottom USB-C port. Next, connect the Cronus Zen's input port, which is typically the A1 port, to the USB-A end of the OTG adapter. Finally, plug your preferred gaming controller, whether it's a PlayStation or Xbox controller, into the A3 port on your Cronus Zen. This completes the essential physical link. After connecting everything, perform a quick, yet crucial, final check to confirm complete success. Look directly at your Cronus Zen's display. A clear 0 or a small, distinct controller icon confirms a solid connection to your Switch. If you encounter any immediate issues, always ensure Pro Controller wired communication is enabled within your Switch's system settings. This one method truly is the definitive and only way to connect your Cronus Zen to your Nintendo Switch in 2025, ensuring optimal gaming performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.